There is one simple method to get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in just 14 days. This is by far the fastest method and the most effective method for anyone to get their channel monetized. Don't waste time elsewhere. Just follow this strategy and your channel will hit the 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hours within 14 days, which is 2 weeks. So what method do I use? I actually use smm.roladel.com, and if you're wondering why I use smm.roladel.com, this is because this allows me to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours from a brand new channel instantly, typically within 7 days or so. It's very easy method. All I have to do is put up my channel link up on the site. It will get me views, and because I have views on the video, I will gain more watch time, and because I have watch time, I will also gain subscribers. smm.roladel.com is a social media service platform owned by Roladel Network and doesn't use any bot promotion to promote users' channel. But before you say, do you have to pay for the promotion? Yes, you do. But Roladel actually gives everyone who starts a social media promotion account with the platform a very cheap and affordable price compared to other social media services. So this means you can actually use this to generate watch hours and subscribers to your channel and monetize in 14 days. So for me, it's a win-win. And yes, this method I have actually tested, and I have been through the hard effort of spending money on social media service and wasting some, of course. So when I tell you I know what I'm talking about, you can believe me. So if you want to use smm.roladel.com to grow your channel to hit the monetization threshold, yes, what you need to do. Step 1. Setting up your channel for smm.roladel.com promotion. In order for your channel to be set up properly for the promotion and for it to actually get the best results, you need to have a good looking channel. You will need the channel banner and the channel icon. Next thing are your videos. Ideally, you need to have at least 2 videos that are highly relatable and are highly watchable, and as long as possible, ideally around 3 to 10 minutes for each of the videos. Now, the reason you need to have 2 videos minimum is because here's what happens when you spend money on smm.roladel.com. A viewer comes into one of your video, if they like it, they will check out another video and watch it. So the more videos you have, the more views you can get, and the easier it is to build your watch time fast for. But 2 videos is fine if you don't have much yet. So once you have your channel set up and your 2 videos on the channel with a good thumbnail, you need to head over to smm.roladel.com. I will also put the link in the description below. Once you are on the home page like this, you need to go ahead and sign up, click it. Once you've done this, you'll be able to go to this page, and when you are on this page, you need to fill out this form with your correct information. After everything, you'll be taken to your account dashboard like this, and as you can see, your account balance is 0 fund. Now what you need to do is to set the amount to how much you are willing to spend. If you want to hit 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, you need to check the price by going to the service page. Once you're on the service page, you have to click here to see all the available services on the platform. You can see YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, AudioMac, Twitter, Telegram, and many more. Some services are more expensive than others, but YouTube is one of the cheapest here. So click on YouTube and you see all the available services for your YouTube. You can watch YouTube here from 2,000 to 4,000 watch hours with the price. You can also see YouTube subscribers and the price as well, and you can even see an already grown YouTube channel to buy. I'm 100% sure that this price is very affordable, but most of you may think this price may seem quite high, but it can actually be a pretty good investment for you, because it now means that once you hit the monetization threshold, you actually start to earn that money back. And on all my channels, once I had the subscribers and started posting videos, they watched them, and I started to make my money back because this platform doesn't use bot traffic to promote videos. So now click order now, and it will take you to this page where you will need to add your YouTube channel link and number of watch hours or subscribers you need to get. This is the minimum and maximum number you need, which means they'll promote your channel until you hit exactly what you are expecting. Now you can scroll down to see the preview of what you want to order. Once you finish everything here, click here and your channel and video will appear as an advertisement alongside them to start your promotion. Be sure to add funds to your account by going to this page and click add fund. As you can see, you have different payment methods to use, which include paystack, manual transfer, and many more. If your preferred payment method isn't available yet, you can contact the WhatsApp icon or email to get more payment options. When that's all done, it takes 24 to 48 hours for your campaign to go live, and you start seeing results on your channel. If your promotion has been disapproved, they will tell you why, and you can make those changes in order to allow your promotion to be approved. Once you have your ads running, you need to let them run for 3 to 14 days. After 3 days, you need to look at which video had the most watch time and then wait for others to complete. So now you can go ahead and follow the guide which I have shown you to get your 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in just 14 days. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.